guys, what's going on? Today is August 16th, 2022. Going to Rye, New York, Lower Westchester County for no AC. It just says one of 4 systems is blowing warm air. That's what my notes say. Hope all is well. We'll see what's going on when we get there. The bushes. Hello. How are you?
Good. You okay?
I am. How are you?
Is that both of you?
No.
No,
That's my truck only.
Yeah, so that must be the other guy. Okay,
What's
great.
going on?
Okay, so I have 4, whatever.
Yeah.
Those seem fine. Although one, my kitchen, this floor has been saying 71 and I've had it on 70 forever.
Okay.
So I mean, it's working. That there is 70 or 71 and then this is 71. So if it wasn't working, I'd feel it. It may be just
A little off.
a little off. But that's what you came for is I have a split.
Yeah, I've been here before. You have 4 systems.
4 systems and then I have a split.
Oh, the mini split.
Mini split.
Is that the one that's the problem? Okay, so it's the ductless. Okay. That's in like a deck room, like a breezeway?
Yeah. Upstairs and
Okay, so... And we're on cool 64 and high, let's see. Okay, we're gonna go outside and check pressure. It's probably low on charge. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna run and grab some gauges. This guy's low on charge, so we're gonna add some refrigerant to it. The old, how you doing? I got a leak. I don't know if you see that bubble, but it's right there. So I was charging the system and it started. I started hearing it piss the coil. And there it is. So we're gonna have to see if this is under warranty or not. But for records, I gotta take that. That's for EB. My man Ed. But so I gave her a little charge. She'll probably get through a day or 2. But as I was charging it, I heard it. And now we found it. So there it is, pissing right there. Nothing like Big Blue, buddy boy. Guys, so this was a no AC call, as you saw. Got here, found the system about 32 PSIG, connected gauges. After I connected the gauges, grabbed some refrigerant, started charging it, and I got to about 102, and I started to see it drop. But it was dropping, you know, like 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 as I was charging. It wasn't just a normal, you know, suction pressure coming down and then rising again. So I pulled the disconnect and listened and found that I heard like a little hissing sound. I was like, all right, maybe it's the refrigerant moving through, but it lasted a little longer. So I went and got the soap bubbles and did a little spraying, and then we found that leak that I got on camera. I think she said a company installed it in 2019, and we've only been with her for the last year. So I've been to this house, I believe, for a maintenance about a year ago, and she was a newer customer. But anyway, so now that's gonna have to be replaced. That's in the coil itself. So I'm not sure if it's under warranty or not. I think it would be 2019, but I'm not sure. So anyway, that's that. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I appreciate everything, and stay well. Thank you.